Here's how to check if your TV is set to PCM or Bitstream audio. First, what you need to do is go to the TV settings, alt settings, or general settings of your television. Once you're already on the settings of your television, go ahead and scroll down until you see the audio settings. Usually, audio settings is placed right under the picture settings. Once you see the audio settings, what you need to do is to click on that. After clicking on that, you'll be able to see their balanced lip sync TV speakers, SRS Studio Sound HD, SRS True Volume, and advanced audio. So for you to be able to see if your television is using or set to PCM, go to advanced audio. On the advanced audio, you will see their digital audio out, analog audio out, and audio control. When you see that their digital audio out is on the PCM, it means that your TV is set to PCM audio.